Back then, people always used to say interns, all they do is just bring coffee to the supervisor, all that kind of stuff. But for my internship, and I think even for my other interns, I think they can also agree with me that we actually did the work.
Mason Facilities hosts a paid summer internship program that provides Mason students with opportunities to thrive with real-world hands-on experiences. Mason Facilities is composed of several different teams, including our operations team, facilities management, planning, design, and construction, business services, which includes HR, communications and marketing, IT, and fiscal services and purchasing. As mentioned, this internship provides opportunities to Mason students looking to broaden their careers. As interns, we were able to work collaboratively on our projects via weekly meetings and join each other's work tasks. We have different opportunities to develop our skills individually and as a group. One of these opportunities was shadowing the land development team on a tour of the current construction site, Fuse, at Mason Square. Fuse at Mason Square is located in Arlington and will feature a mix of research and design labs and classrooms. It will also have innovation labs, incubators, and accelerators. The Fuse building will also incorporate state-of-the-art smart and green building technology. Throughout the summer, we refined our professional networking, problem-solving, and communication abilities. We got to experience what it was like to work a full day in the life of a full-time working professional. Listen to what fellow interns had to say about their time here.
It is quite valuable for you to have this experience. I think communication skill will be one of the most important parts.
I would recommend it. I enjoy the pacing, I enjoy the variety and the things that I get to do, and the hours are really nice. It's really nice to be involved with Mason since I also go to school here.
Overall, it was fun. It was enjoyable. I feel like I did learn a lot of stuff. It will be very useful for my future career.
The tasks and the projects that they gave us, they were very professional, and we managed to do them. They trusted us to do them, and that was amazing. So that experience and exposure that you really, really want, you actually get to have it.
Mason Facilities is always looking for dedicated, eager, and enthusiastic students to join our team. With so many different areas within facilities, we're sure that future interns will find a position that best suits their needs.